Okay, I was teaching you the magic wand tool or the fuzzy select tool. That is this magic thing. So it can select similar color area. You can see when I click on the fuzzy or the magic wand tool, just put 12 here. You can change the value as you wish, right? When you click, it selects. Then add to the selection. Add to selection option. This is new selection, but if you select the second option, new selection, then the second option is add to selection, unite. You can select and add to the selection. So let's select the similar areas quickly and this area too. Now we have selected almost everything, seems. And if you want, you can enhance, right? You can see some selections are not added. Right? When selections are not added, you can go to the last one here, quick mask mode. Can you see small camera like thing, quick mask mode? And you can see the red color areas. Those areas are will not be selected. So when you click it again, you can see the selection. Click again, you can see the quick mask mode. These red color areas will not be selected. So I just want to remove these things. So I can use eraser tool. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the eraser tool and the color should be black here. I have to change black color to the foreground, white color to the background. Then I can erase these like missing areas. Select areas. This is in the quick mask mode, right? You have to do this patiently, otherwise you will erase the most required areas. So be patient and erase with some patience, and then you can add these areas. I can remove these areas from your selection. Oh, that is bad one. You can reduce the size of brush using square brackets. Square brackets wali photo arahan wali brush එකේ size එක අඩු වැඩි කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ වගේ මට missing areas ටික දාගන්න පුළුවන්. But really be careful. Otherwise you will be deleting some required areas. Okay, looks somewhat okay, not perfect, but somewhat okay. Now Q or go back to the quick mask mode. Now you can see the area is selected. Then you can fill. So let's use the gradient tool. Let's use gradient tool, and I'm going to select some gradient here. So let's select this one, or this one, or anything, the rainbow colors, and fill it. Right now you can see kids with some rainbow. Actually, if you want to spread this to outside, again use the quick mask tool and add the outside area too. That's all. Then go to the gradient tool, this one, gradient tool, and you can add a nice background, maybe this one. Okay, just click and drag. You can see the filling. Or if you need the rainbow look, go there, add the rainbow look. After that, you have to deselect. That you can go select mode and deselect. අර මෙතනින් කට් කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන් එකක් මම කියලා දෙන්නම්. Okay. Right? See the effect of now. See the effect of this. What do you call the magic wand tool? Same color area can be selected and removed. You can apply your own background. And then the next tool, that is crop tool. Here also the crop tool is there. That is here, the crop tool. Crop tool is used to clip the image. If you want to take the upper part only, excluding the lower part, you can clip the image, clip the image, clip the image, only the area that you like. You can clip it. Oh, sorry. Clip the image using crop tool. Just drag it here, drag it here. Okay, to confirm the clip, you have to press enter and that will clip the image. Right, we have created two projects. The first one is this and second one is this. Actually, if you need to remove this guy, then also there are tools. Right, I'll show you another tool. You can use which one? Blend, gradient we discussed, blend tool. Then clone, heal tool. So let's use heal tool. Heal tool like just use heal tool. Right, I just want to heal this area. I just want to remove this boy because we have already placed another copy of this boy with a different style. And now I just want to remove the guy. Right, remove this person. To do that, I'm going to use the healing tool. Healing tool. Actually, there are different options. The patch healing option. I'm going to use the patch healing option and select the guy and then drag into an area like this. Should be a matching area. Okay, this one is okay. Drag into a matching area and drop. Then you can see, right, perfectly removed. That is called healing. Healing will copy some pixels. Healing වලින් මේ පැත්තක තියෙන වෙන pixels එකක් copy කරලා මෙතනට ගැලපෙන විදිහට වෙනස් කරනවා. මේ දෙකම වෙනවා. ඒත් දැන් අර හිට හැරලා හිටපු අර තනියෙන් උඩ පඩන එක්කන දැන් ඉන්නේ මැද. So this was the image earlier. එතකොට මම මෙතනින් tool එක select කරා patch tool එක. I have selected patch tool. ඊට පස්සේ මෙයාගේ වටේට මේ healing එකක් heal කරන්න ඕන. කෙනාගේ වටේට මම ගානට mouse එකෙන් ඇන්දා. ඇන්දලා ඉවරලා මම කිව්වා හරි. එයාව heal කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මම click and drag කරා මෙයාට ගැලපෙන වෙන තැනකට. මෙහෙම අයින් කරනකොට අපිට පෙන්නනවා මේ ගැලපෙයිද නැද්ද කියලා. මෙතන ගැලපෙනවද බලන්න. මෙතනත් ගැලපෙනවා. හැබැයි මේකේ කෑල්ලක් එනවා. ඒක හරියන්නේ. මෙහෙම අවුලක් නෑ. මේක එච්චර ගැලපෙන්නේ. මෙහෙම මේ පැත්තෙන්ම දාන්න. Make okay. Right? Now you can see it's perfectly here. That is how you remove unwanted things. Maybe you can use this to remove, like if you have a face with black marks, face with maybe pimples, a face with pimples. So let's use a face with pimples like this. Then you just want to promote maybe a cream. That is a pimple removing cream. Right? But what you're going to do is you have to use Photoshop to like, so mostly actually cheating customers. Most people are cheating customers. So this is the image. So let's like zoom it. Let's make it larger than all of you can see it. Okay, this is the image now. I just want to see show the importance of using cream XYZ. So where cream XYZ is perfect in removing the skin pimples and these red patches and all. So I have one tool that is my either healing brush tool. I can use spot healing to heal spots. dots නම් තියෙන්නේ spot healing එකෙන් පුළුවන්. Within one click it will remove. Right. So you click once, it will remove the spot. That is spot healing tool, the general healing tool. But patch tool is more advanced, where you are allowed to select matching skin. So patch tool, if you select, if you want to patch this area, you can select from some good skin area like this and patch it. A good skin area you have to select and patch. Select a good skin area and patch it. Select good skin area again and patch it. Right? But you have to be patient, otherwise like it will look like a plastic surgery. Patiently do this. Okay, it's done. I think you can remember the image which I got. Now you can see what I'm having is patched. No pimples now. Right? So likewise, that is healing brush. Okay, I'll put that record into the group, but anyways, I think you are practicing with me, right? I expect that you are practicing with me, because this is tool demonstration. So where I have to show what you can do with these tools. Now you can see the skin is perfectly tuned. And if you feel that this is not good, so then you can apply some makeup. Maybe take a duplicate, right click, duplicate. How to add makeup? Makeup. So then next tool you can use. This is what? Brush tool. Brush tool. Brush tool එකට ගිහිල්ලා අපිට පුළුවන් මේ පාටින්ම අඳින්න. මේ පාටම ගන්න ALT එක ගහලා අපිට පික් කරන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට මෙතන මේ පාටම එනවා. Brush tool එකට ගිහිල්ලා size එක ලොකු අඩු කරන්න, so you can change the size using this square brackets. Square brackets වලින් size එක change කරන්න පුළුවන්. Then you can press Alt key and get a sample. Now you have the sample foundation cream. But if you draw in the face, you will see something like පොඩි ළමයි foundation cream ගෑව වගේ තමයි පේන්නේ. ඉතින් මේක හරියන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම නෙමෙයි මට කරන්න ඕන. I'm going to undo that. I'm going to change the brush to 24 pixel, hardness 0 brush. Maybe you can increase the size to some more bigger one. So let's use 200 pixel, hardness 0. Then opacity. Opacity කියන්නේ කොච්චර ගෑවෙනවද කියන එක. That I'm going to reduce to very small value like 12, 9, 10. Okay, now let's do the same. දැන් ඔයාලට පේන්නෙත් නෑ මම මේක අඳිනවා. ස්කින් එකේ අඳිනවා ඔයාලට පේන්නේ නෑ. Okay, I have done that. But you cannot witness, you cannot see what I have done because its opacity is too low. Opacity කියන්නේ කොච්චර තින්ත ගෑවෙනවද කියන. ඒක ගොඩක් අඩුයි හින්දා පේන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මම මේක hide කරොත් පේනවද ඔයාලට මේ? Hiding and showing, hiding and showing, hiding, showing, hiding, showing. දැන් පේනවනේ චූටි effect එක. ඒ මට්ටමට තමයි අපි opacity දාන්නේ. ඔය විදියට පුළුවන්. You can add a makeover like this. Okay, if you want to, let's say you need further makeover, may dark කරගන්න ඕන, eyebrows අඳින්න ඕන. Then you have here that tool is called burn tool. Burn tool මෙතනක් තියෙනවා. Dodge and burn. Burn tool එකෙන් dark කරන්න පුළුවන්. Light spots dark කරන්න. You can make lighter spots dark or lighter areas dark. And dodge tool, you can make lighter, darker areas light. Okay, for eyebrows, I need to make it darker. So I'm going to change the brush size again. Use same hardness 0 brush and increase the brush size. And here, okay, let's decrease it further. Okay, this is enough. Now I'm going to draw over the eyebrow. And that will make eyebrows dark. Then eyeliners. Okay, here also. Maybe the lip liners too. But you have to control your brush very well. Otherwise, you will draw lip liners outside of the lip, which is not good. So here the my controlling is also not very good. Okay. Lip liners done. Lip color, maybe you can enhance a little. Then, if you want to reduce the effect, මේ පැත්තෙන් opacity එක මේ image එක අඩු කරන්න මොනවද? යට background එක image එකක් තියෙනවා නේ. එහෙනම් බය නැතුව මේකේ opacity එක පොඩ්ඩක් අඩු කරලා effect එක වැඩි වගේ න control කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, give me a second again. Right. So the other one, dodge tool. Dodge tool can like මෙතන දැන් මේ හැරේ තියෙන nose එක ළඟ dark නේ. So I just want to make it lighter. So I can use dodge tool to make it lighter. That is the dodge tool applicability. And the neck here can make these places lighter. Okay, this was the image that we have started with. This was the image that we have started with, you can see. And now we came up with this solution. Maybe before using the trim, after 1 week. Before using the trim, after 1 week. That is the magic of graphic design, right? Okay. Right, what you're taking from me? හරි මේකේ ඔයාලට මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕන? YT live
background එක අයින් කරලා.
මේක PNG එකක් නෙවෙයි. ඒකයි PNG එකක් නම් background එක නැතුව කෙලින්ම මට හම්බෙන්නේ. මේ PNG එකක් නෙවෙයි. PNG වල පුතේ මේකේ කොටු තියෙන එකේ background එක නැතුවම හම්බෙන්නේ. මේක JPEG එකක්. ඒකයි මේ background එක තියෙන්නේ. හැබැයි හරි PNG එකක් ගත්තා නම් background එක නැතුව තමයි මට හම්බෙන්නේ. So see, search for PNG. So let me okay, YouTube PNG. So if you take a PNG traffic, you will get it without any background. Okay, let's say this one. Hello. Okay. Right, then you මේ වගේ එකක් ගනිද්දි මෙතනින් copy කරලා ගන්න එපා. Don't copy from this place. Just go to the image. Please go to the image. When you go to the image, and you can just download the PNG. Click and download the PNG. Right, this is from Pinterest, so it will not, you have to log in from this. But anyway, so this is not PNG. Still this image is JPG one. So let's try to get the PNG one. Okay, here free download one, I'm going to download. But still it's asking me the credentials. So yeah, can I have to anyway sign up. So that is the nature for most of the images. But let's try with some other image. This one. Anyway, after downloading, the extension should be PNG. Download උනාට පස්සේ extension එක PNG වෙන්න ඕන. That is the aim. Okay, let's download this one also. It has also the download part. PNG. No, you can't click on that. There's the download button. Here, download. Pause it. Okay, now you're getting the PNG file, it seems. You have to select the captcha also. Right here, PNG. So when you download a PNG file, okay, but now it's in the downloads. So let's go and open. File, open. And I think that's my download. Should be there. Yes, top in YouTube logo PNG. File, image, sorry. File, open. Right. Here's the one. Again, it came with, I don't know, it's okay. Now let's copy this, Control A, Control C. Go here and Control V. You can see it's only giving the image part, not getting that dots. Only the particular thing. But these things are not appearing. The other process are. මොකද මේ background එකේ තියෙන colors නෙවෙයි මේ. මේ තියෙන ඇත්තටම empty background කිය. හැබැයි ඔයගොල්ලන් කරන වැරද්ද තමයි when you download PNG, you go and download the preview. That is JPG. Preview is JPG, but you have to download the PNG file with the PNG extension. Understood? Then no need to remove anything. Okay? Understood? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to stop a little earlier because I have some so actually I have special arrangement, so therefore I'll stop from here, but next day I'll cover the other topics, other tools, other buttons, actually other tools, and also I'll finish the GIMP part next week. Then we can start the Jito animation part. Okay, then good night. See you all next week.